Hello, hi. Today we are going to talk about how to earn Bitcoin without investment. Are you interested in earning Bitcoins? Then this video is for you. Here we will talk about different ways via which you can earn free Bitcoins daily, without any investment by just doing simple tasks such as solving captcha, filling out surveys, etc. One of the most popular digital cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. There are some of the businesses where this currency is accepted and is not taxed and has minimal transaction fees. This is the reason why many people want to earn this currency. There are various different methods to earn free Bitcoins. Some of the methods are mentioned in this video. One of the ways by accepting Bitcoin as a mode of payment. If someone sells the goods and services or has a small business, then he or she can integrate this method easily and quickly with the help of the following steps. Step 1. Someone needs to get a free online Bitcoin wallet. Coinbase or other providers give access to this wallet. He or she needs to see what works best for They needs to make sure to keep their coins safe in 2 or 3 different places. Step 2. They are required to display the QR code with the help of their Bitcoin address, which will be next to the cash register. There are 2 ways to do the same. When someone has his/her wallet, they have to go to a section which says add funds or receive money or something similar. They should print the image and place it next to his/her cash register. There are some of the wallets that offer receive money functionality. The create payment request is useful when someone is earning Bitcoins by accepting them as a method of payment. In this space, the/she will fill in the amount of money that the customer needs to pay, and the corresponding QR code will emerge automatically. Step 3. Someone can then display the Bitcoin accepted here logo in their respective shop, so that the customers will get to know that they have integrated this innovative payment. Another way of earning free Bitcoins is by interest payment. Someone can also earn free Bitcoins by lending them out. The following are the various ways in which an individual can lend his or her Bitcoins. 1. Lending the Bitcoins directly to someone they know. If there is someone whom they can trust, then he or she can agree on the terms such as interest rate and duration. 2. Peer-to-peer Bitcoin lending. There are websites from different borrowers who offer this, including Bitbond. In this method, funding requests are published by the borrowers, and the individual can contribute to the loan. Before the individual lends the Bitcoins, he or she need to make sure that the borrowers and the site are trustworthy. When the creditworthiness of applicants is assessed by the site, the credibility of the borrower also increases. 3. Bitcoin banking. This approach works like a bank. This is different than the peer-to-peer lending where someone diversifies the lending activity to various borrowers. In this approach, there is only one borrower, the bank. The bank invests the Bitcoins in the form of assets. The only difference is the fact that in the Bitcoin world, there is no deposit insurance. Bitcoin mining. Another way to generate Bitcoins is Bitcoin mining. When someone performs this, the computer adds new Bitcoin transactions to the blockchain. When the computer discovers a new block, then that person is going to receive a number of free Bitcoins. Bitcoin mining is expensive and hardware intense. With this, there are some who supply computing power to the pool, and thus, Bitcoins are earned by them without having to build their own big mining frame. The following are some of the biggest Bitcoin mining pools. 1. Slush. This mining pool is among the first mining pools and is currently the most popular mining pool. Today, this pool mines about 3% of all the blocks. 2. BitClub Network. it is a good site to start mining. This is considered to be a large mining pool and is easy to use. 3. Ant Pool. This mining pool is based in China, which is owned by Bitmain. Of all the blocks, it mines about 25% of the blocks. 4. Bitfury. This mining pool is a leading full-service blockchain technology company. Currently, it mines about 2% of all the blocks. 5. BTCC. In China, this is one of the biggest Bitcoin mining pools. Currently, it mines almost 7% of all the blocks. Other way of earning Bitcoin is by Bitcoin tips. Earning Bitcoins as a means of payment is similar to receiving Bitcoins as tips. Someone can receive tips in different ways as follows. Earning Bitcoins as a means of payment is similar to receiving Bitcoins as tips. Someone can receive tips in different ways as follows. 2. If someone doesn't own a shop, he or she can still earn tips through a blog or any other similar kind of website. He or she needs to place the Bitcoin address or the QR code on his/her page. 3. If someone offers services and is interested in receiving the Bitcoin tips, then he or she can do so. This is a new approach as compared to the old-fashioned cash tip. If someone does not claim the tips within a month, then it is going to get transferred to the individual's wallet. Another amazing thing about this is that it can be created. Earn free Bitcoin from trading. Another method in which someone can earn free Bitcoins is through trading. There are two different ways to earn money from this, that is, through arbitrage and speculation. Arbitrage. This is considered to be the safest way to earn Bitcoins through trading. This is basically simultaneous selling and buying of assets so that the individual can take advantage of the differing prices. The individual can buy a Bitcoin and then sell it immediately for a higher price. Speculation. As compared to the above approach, this is riskier. Here someone will buy the Bitcoins and then will wait until there is an increase in the price to sell it for fiat currency. When there is a drop in the price, they tends to buy more. And in this way, the process is repeated. Someone either should be capable of predicting the future or luck to make this approach work in his/her favor. There are some of the people who are great traders and, thus, can recognize the patterns from the price charts. Earn free Bitcoins through affiliate programs. Another great way to earn Bitcoins is by joining Bitcoin affiliate programs. The services running the Bitcoin affiliate program pay someone in the form of Bitcoins. If he or she sends paying customers to the programs. The way this approach works is as follows. 1. The individual first need to sign up for the services affiliate program, and then he or she is required to give his/her Bitcoin address so that the payment can be made. Check the links below the video to get one. 2. The service is going to provide someone with a unique referral URL, which is going to point toward a particular website. 3. The individual is required to share the specified URL on his/her own website, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and so on. 4. If someone else clicks on the individual's referral link, then the individual earns a commission for the purchase and is paid in the form of Bitcoins. Here are some of the famous Bitcoin affiliate programs. Binance. Binance is a very popular and famous Chinese crypto-asset exchange program. This site is said to have most trade volumes. The commission per sale of this program is up to 20%. The payout is sent to the individual on the provided Bitcoin address. Get the link below the video. eToro. This is a trading platform that is innovative in which an individual can trade stocks, ETFs, commodities, currencies, and cryptocurrencies. The individual can profit up to 25% of the net revenues from the customer of the affiliate and 10% of Tier 2 affiliates. Ledger. This is an offline wallet that allows its users to store their bitcoins offline safely. There are varieties of available models. The individual can earn up to 15% of the net sale amount for his/her commission. The payout is received monthly by the individual. CryptoTab Browser is an app that allows browsing the web while mining cryptocurrencies. It is effectively a browser in its own right, to be used for surfing the web, but its main feature is said to be mining cryptocurrencies. Get the link below the video. Finally, if this video is useful, please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit a notification bell for more video. Thanks for your support. And if you want to join mining and affiliate programs, check the links below the video to start. In conclusion, there are many different ways to earn free bitcoins daily without any investment. Therefore, refer to the above recommended ways so that they earn bitcoin without spending any money. This can also prove to be a really good start for those individuals who are interested and wish to join the Bitcoin wagon. Thanks for watching and coming to an end with me. See you soon.